was just during my GCSEs, and I was predicted to get quite good GCSEs, but because finding myself being homeless and moving miles away from school and stuff like that, I completely failed my GCSEs. So after living by myself for 2 years, I really wanted to do better. So went to a job centre. They put me on to training advisor and found a health and social course.
It was the hardest interview I've ever seen. I sat in there with her, and it was like about an hour long, the interview was. The questions were really tough, and she flew through it. She did really well. And so I think that kind of impressed them, because they were a bit wary, thinking, well, she's only 17, she's never going to be able to hack and handle the type of people that we've got there.
I think because of the work factor of it, because I really enjoyed the work, it made me want to do the college work and get the qualifications so I can do that later in life.
Being only on this training allowance of £50 a week and living in a hostel that's so far away, having to catch the bus or get a taxi every morning to be at work by 8 o'clock in the morning, to deal with challenging people that she deals with for as little money as she was getting, and to have to come to college, you know, it just shows a dedication to do the course.
I would want to run my own kind of care setting, so I've always liked the manager thing, so that's my main goal in life.
Okay. Zoe, well done. I'm really proud of you. You've done really well. Congratulations.
Really nice to be appreciated and recognised, kind of thing. But yeah, really happy. Thank you.